All right, today I'm gonna spend some time working on the back deck. This is a house that was built in '06, and the deck mostly original, but you can see a lot of mold, rot. Gonna tear all of these out, and we're gonna do a different style. These lattice, awfully busy, so we're gonna simplify, make things a lot easier, but keep it safe and up to code. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna demo out the old lattice. Gonna keep the corner boards, 4x4s, those should still be fairly good. And we'll go from there. So, we have completed the reno on the back deck. Let me walk you through. There's Grace. And did a lot of hard refinishing. Probably took a couple of weeks spare time. And you can see the lattice is all gone. I used the cables. This is from Muzata. And I'm very pleased. A little more modern look. Definitely opens up the view in the backyard. And yeah, don't have to worry about all of that cleaning of that mold. No more rotted wood. All updated. I'll include a link in the description. Betsy Edwards gets all the credit for this idea. So thank you, Betsy. Everybody go check out her channel. Coming to join me?